Alright, I'm going to remove these bumpers here, and hopefully this will allow me to take the frame off, I mean the body off the frame, whatever. So we have this plate here, and then there's the coupler mount underneath that, and now things are just coming apart. I hope I can figure out how that goes. I don't know if I have to unscrew the same thing at the other end. We'll find out in a second. Same thing at the other end of the locomotive. Unscrew these. I'm trying to do this looking through the camera. When I put the coupler in, I want the little tab to face down. Same direction as those two bent thingies, whatever those are. Alright, now I'm going to have to put this into something to hold it while I do the rest. Be right back. Alright, I have the phone in my chest harness here. Hopefully this is going to lift right out. Hopefully this is going to lift right out. Nothing's happening. Okay. Lift the chassis off the body, or vice versa. Alright, and here's where I have my problem. Is that the gear that goes on the main drive shaft right there fell off. See what I can do to get that back on there. Whoops, and that, okay, this weight here is loose. Oops, sorry, out of camera. This weight right here is loose, and it goes in this way with the weight to my right. Here's the gear that came off. Now, from a video I found on YouTube, the problem with these, one of the major problems with these engines is these gears. I don't know what happens to them, but the guy was saying that they make replacement ones and they're made out of brass. He said you need to know how many teeth are on the gear. So I'm going to start at 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think that's 13. I'm going to start again at the top at 12 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so there's 12 teeth on that gear. Yeah, let's see if I can get it back on the motor shaft here. I don't know why it came out, it just came right out. So there it is on the motor shaft. I literally turned the model over on its side and it fell out. And right now the gears are clashing. Alright. She's back into position. Why won't it turn? So I think what I'm going to do is put a drop of super glue on that, just one drop, and see if that holds. Hopefully it'll hold. Like I said, just one drop. I wish I could get this a little bit further away from the model so that it wasn't so Well, one drop. I am also going to put a drop of oil on the pivot spots right here. And right here. And right there on the motor. And what the hell is that? There's a little something right there. Not anymore. And there's the other motor shaft, the other end of the motor shaft right there. Put a drop of oil. I don't know if I dare test this out now. I probably should. I'm going to put it back in the shell. Hopefully, there we go. Drop into place. Sorry about the background noise. I have a fan right behind me, an air circulation fan from my house, right behind my head. Literally about a foot behind me. Okay, here we go. Am I nervous? Yes. Yay. Very good. So I think, maybe that gear should be replaced, but considering I am in the process of selling this, I'll leave it to somebody else to replace the gear. I'm not going to try and order parts for this thing. Runs good. What is this thing for here? Anybody know? Leave a comment down below. Oops, I signed off. I probably should show you how I put this hopefully together again. Okay. I'm going to try zooming out just a second. Hold on. There we go. Now you get to see my messy workbench. So I want the little tab thingy to point the same direction as those two prongs. I don't know what you call those things. And that's going to go in. Come on. Oh, it goes this way. Oh, and this is missing there's supposed to be a centering spring right there too for the coupler. Alright. Hope you can see what I'm doing. My hands aren't in the way all the time. Okay. Now this plate here goes like that. And if I had 3 hands, I could put this together. Come on. Got that fan behind me, and I got my light right over my head. I keep bumping it. I don't know if you can see, but there's a little centering wire there. I don't know how that goes on. I wish I did. Okay. This metal stamping goes like that. And I'm caught. Like that. And the bumper goes hopefully into the threads. All right, tighten this up a little bit. I am not gonna take a pair of pliers and tighten these really hard. Just finger tight. Okay, back together again. Test it one more time. Zoom in. Should get somewhere in between. I'll ground out that side. And dirty wheels. And it's happy. Oh, this runs so much better. Wow. It's going faster and faster. That's incredible. All right, as I said before, thanks for watching. I hope it helps you with your modeling. Have fun out there. Bye for now.